Good morning, student. Today we will do the question answer of lesson 7, the D long answer type question. First question है, explain how different organisms carry out exchange of gases. Give one example of each. तो इसका आंसर है, plants breathe through stomata, insects breathe through spiracles, human beings, tigers, lions, cats, dogs, etc. breathe through lungs. Fishes breathe through gills. Frogs breathe through lungs and moist skin. Tadpoles breathe through gills. Second question है, animals grow only till a particular age, whereas plants grow throughout their life. Justify. तो इसका आंसर है, plants grow throughout their life due to the presence of meristematic tissue at certain location in their body, which is capable of growing multiplying. Plants are static, hence big size with adequate growth support, not harm, while animals are of mobile nature, so huge size would lead to an increase in energy need and stops its mobility. Third question है, a plant grows towards sunlight. Mention the stimulus and the response. B में है, what is meant by stimulus and sensitivity. तो आंसर ए का है, a plant grows towards sunlight as sunlight is one of the main raw material for photosynthesis. Even if we keep the plant away from the sunlight, the stem of the plant will bend towards the direction of the sunlight. It is a natural adaptation. Here, sunlight is the stimulus and the movement of plant towards sunlight is the response. आंसर बी है, stimulus is any change in the surrounding of an organism to which it responds, and the ability to respond to any external change is called sensitivity. Fourth question है, which characteristics of living things is shown in the figure A given alongside, और B है, distinguish between tissues and organisms. तो एक आंसर है, ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो एंड इंक्रीज इन साइज. ए टाइनी सीड्स ग्रोज इनटू अ बेबी प्लांट एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम्स इट ग्रोज इनटू ए बिग प्लांट और ट्रीज. बी का है, ए ग्रुप ऑफ सिमिलर सेल्स दैट परफॉर्म ए पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड ए टिश्यू, while a group of tissues which work together to perform a particular function in the body is called an organs. What is the common features in living things and non-living things? ए बी में है आपका कि गिव एनी 4 डिफरेंसेज बिटवीन लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. तो कॉमन फीचर्स में हो जाएगा, बोथ हैव मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस एंड मेड अप ऑफ मैटर. जबकि डिफरेंसेज में है लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग में, लिविंग में इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ सेल्स, नॉन लिविंग इट इज़ नॉट मेड अप ऑफ सेल्स. It needs food to grow. It does not need food to grow. It respires. Non-living, it cannot respire. It reproduces young ones. It does not reproduce. इसके बाद हॉट क्वेश्चन है आपका ई. While walking, Abraham hears a dog barking. He starts running immediately. Mention the stimulus and the response. Give another example mention in stimulus and the response. So here hearing of barking is stimulus and running is response. Another example is anyone pricks our hand with a small pin and we feel pain and move away our hand quickly. Here pricking with the pin is the stimulus and quick withdrawal of our hand is the response. Next question है, a seed is put inside the soil. In which direction will the stem and root grow? So the seed will grow towards the sunlight and the stem will grow towards the sunlight and root will grow towards the soil or downward the earth. Third question, are wheat grains stored in the gunny bag living? Why or why not? The wheat grains are stored in the gunny bags so that they would not come with air and moisture contact and will be protected from insects. ये आज जो है लेसन 7 का क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो गया. नेक्स्ट डे जो है हम लोग लेसन 8 करेंगे.